Hey, this is Tech Vibes. Your PS5 won't start after a sudden power cut? Don't panic. I'll show you proven fixes that actually work. Step 1. Power cycle. First, unplug the PS5 power cable from the wall. Wait exactly 60 seconds. Then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Reconnect the power cable and turn it on. Step 2. Safe mode. If it still won't start, boot into safe mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller with a USB cable and select Restart System. Step 3. Check power source. Make sure your outlet is stable. Avoid power strips with surges. Step 4. Rebuild database. In safe mode, select Rebuild database. This fixes corrupted files that prevent startup. Follow these steps and your PS5 should power on safely.